Hello kids! Today we are drawing some 2D shapes. Now let's start. Right triangle. What is this? This is right triangle. It's a right triangle, kids. It's a right triangle, right triangle. What is this? This is a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
What is this, kids? Parallelogram. What is this? This is a hexagon. What is this, kids? Hexagon. Hexagon. A star. What is this? This is a star. What we draw?
A star.
What we draw?
A star.
Okay. A star. What is this? A square. What is this? A square. A square. Circle. What we draw? We are drawing circle. Circle. Now we are look and learn some colors, kids. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color. Look at this. What is this? This is yellow green color, sky blue color, blue color, orange color, gray color, red color, purple color, yellow color, green color. Look at this, kids. Potato brown color.
Potato brown color.
Potato brown color. Fresh green color. It's a fresh green color, kids. Deep olive green color. Deep olive green color, kids. Sky blue color. Sky blue color, kids. Deep violet color. Deep violet color, kids. Natural oak color. Natural oak color, kids. Now learn these shapes. Right triangle, parallelogram, hexagon, star, square, circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.